Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I just want to thank you guys for choosing to watch my videos. I really appreciate your love, guys. So in this video I'll show you how to properly apply rosemary oil, whether using it directly or mixing it with a carrier oil for added nourishment. You'll learn how to massage it into your scalp for maximum absorption, boosting growth, and improve overall hair health. So stick around to see how this simple natural remedy transform your hair. Rosemary is a fragrant evergreen herb known for its needle-like leaves and woody stems. Is especially popular in hair care for stimulating hair growth, enhancing scalp health, and reducing dandruff due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. So our next step is preparing the oil. I'm going to pour coconut oil, which is the carrier oil, into the pot and allow the oil to heat. Do not let the oil boil. Then add rosemary sprigs to the warm oil. Let the mixture simmer on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to allow infusion. After heating, turn off the stove and let the rosemary oil to cool completely. So this infusion method is quicker and helps extract beneficial compounds from rosemary more efficiently. These are benefits of rosemary oil. To dilute rosemary oil, add 2 tablespoons of coconut and 10 drops of rosemary oil in a heat-safe cup and mix the two oils continuously until they are well mixed. So our next step is adding water into the pot. Place the cup into the pot of hot water for a few minutes. Ensure the oil is warm and not hot to avoid burning your scalp. Heating oil over water ensures even and gentle warming. Before applying rosemary oil to your scalp, lightly mist your scalp with water using a spray bottle. This helps to hydrate the scalp and open up pores and allow oil to penetrate. The moisture from water helps the oil to spread more evenly and enhance its absorption. So our next step is applying rosemary oil, and to apply rosemary oil effectively, start by applying few drops to your fingertips and gently massaging it into your scalp. Focus on areas where you want to encourage hair growth or improve scalp health. You can either use pure rosemary essential oil diluted with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil, or a ready-made rosemary infused oil. So this process of application can feel quite soothing and invigorating. The aroma of rosemary is fresh and herbal, adding a calming and therapeutic element to the experience. Your scalp may feel refreshed as the oil absorbs, which can feel both relaxing and stimulating at the same time. So I'm going to wrap the mixture in between my palms and gently smooth it over my mid-length and ends, focusing on the ends because this area particularly feels dry and more prone to damage. The oil helps to seal the moisture and prevent split ends, and be sure not to over apply. This can weigh your hair down, especially if you have fine hair. But if your hair feels dry, you can apply more oil to seal in the moisture. So after applying rosemary oil to your scalp, massage for 5 to 10 minutes to stimulate blood circulation, which helps the nutrients in the oil to penetrate deeper into the hair follicles. If rosemary oil is mixed with a carrier oil, the texture is smooth and rich, which helps massaging and application feel stimulating at the same time relaxing. So guys, be sure to involve scalp massages in every hair care routine you practice. So cover your hair using a shower cap or a plastic bag for 2 to 4 hours or even overnight. That's according to your preference, but preferably. So covering with a plastic bag is important because it helps retain moisture and deeper penetration. After applying rosemary oil to your scalp, mids and ends, begin the washing process with an initial rinse using lukewarm water to help loosen the oil and remove some of it. Gently walk the water through your hair, scalp to start washing away the oil without scrubbing too hard. Next, apply first round of shampoo. Use a small amount of a gentle sulfate-free shampoo and focus on massaging it into your scalp, as this will help break down the oil and ensure all the dirt is removed. Be gentle to your scalp and always use fingertips to wash your scalp and do not over scrub. So rinse thoroughly, making sure to remove as much shampoo and oils as possible. Then apply a second round of shampoo to ensure that the oils are fully removed, especially from the mid-lengths and ends of your hair. This second wash helps to eliminate any residue that the first rinse may have missed, leaving your hair feeling clean but still nourished. Thoroughly rinse your hair using lukewarm water to ensure all the traces of shampoo and rosemary oil are washed away. As you rinse, focus on massaging your scalp and letting water run through the length of your hair, ensuring it is completely free of shampoo left. For the final rinse, use cooler water to help seal the hair cuticle, locking in moisture and promoting shine. This step gives your hair a smooth and soft finish. Apply oil to your hair when it is partially wet. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your results in the comments section. So see you next time for more healthy hair tips. Bye.